Hey there, Brooke here. What I'd like to do today is to talk a little bit about the end of the semester. I thought maybe it would be better to do a written summary of what you need to do for the end of the semester, but also to do kind of a video verbal summary of what you need to do for the remainder of the semester. So let's start at the beginning. Number one, do a grade check. So I do make mistakes in grading. I try not to make a mistake in grading, but sometimes that happens. Don't take it personally. It's just that I made a mistake. Sometimes I go really fast. So what you should do is that for every graded item you have, you should make sure the score that I have written up at the top matches the score in the grade book. Okay, so double check all of those. Number two, do you have any late work that you can submit? What you need to do is you need to be sure, there we go. What you need to do is to be sure to submit any late work that I can accept late. So I don't accept reading questions late, and I don't accept the discussions late, but I do accept those Theory Thursday activities late. So don't miss out on that. Get them to me ASAP. Let's talk about the discussion. For the discussion, item number 3, remember I offer 6 discussions and I drop the lowest scoring discussion. So what you need to do is you need to maximize your score in that category. So kick butt on this last discussion, discussion number 6. Let's talk about those reading questions. Do you remember from the reading questions that I offer 15 opportunities to complete 12? So in other words, let me try this again. What I do is I drop the 3 lowest scores in that category. So if you need to get that score up in that category, make sure you do the last 3 sets of reading questions this week. Okay, so let me see. This week, it's again the same kind of pattern this week where you have the reading and the writing and the thinking. I have all of our exam for our exam number 5, and I have the Theory Thursday activity. Those are all due Monday at 11:30 p.m. So I'm going to give you all day Monday to get it done. Over the weekend, you can send me a draft of your work. I'd love to take a look at it. That still stands for policies in my course. All right, let me think here. Extra credit, did you do it? The extra credit is massive extra credit. It's a half letter grade, and you get to watch TV. I give you credit for watching TV. So make sure you do the extra credit. The extra credit is due Wednesday. And again, I'm happy to take a look at that also to make sure you're right on track. The more you write, the better. The extra credit activity is really about thinking and showing me your thought process and how you work through those answers. So the more you write, generally, the better you do. All right, so finally, let's do the following. I will post with this video a quick Word document that can help you kind of visualize where you are in the class. I know that in the grade book you have your running grade up at the top. That grade is not necessarily accurate because remember it's dropping the lowest scoring discussion and it's dropping the 3 lowest reading questions. So the score on the screen may actually be a little bit higher than what your true score is. So I have a grade calculation sheet that I'll post with this video, and I do strongly recommend that you work through that and figure out exactly what you need to do for this week. All right, so looking at the clock, I have office hours in about 14 minutes, so I am going to get ready for that. Rock on. You made it to the end of an intense 5-week summer class. All right, let me know if you need any help or support or if you have any questions. Have a great week.